Sure, I've been showing folks around Ireland for years now, but let me tell you, there's something magical about this Emerald Isle that never gets old. From the rolling hills of Connemara to the dramatic cliffs of Moher, every view is a feast for the eyes. The fertile fields of County Meath stretch as far as the eye can see, a patchwork quilt of greens that'd make any painter envious. And just when you think you've seen it all, you turn a corner in the ring of Kerry, and there's another breathtaking vista waiting to steal your heart. But it's not just about what you see, it's about what you feel, the way the land speaks to you, whispering secrets as old as time itself. Every blade of grass, every ancient stone, every wisp of mist rising from the valleys, they're all woven into the fabric of who I am. And as I stand here, taking in the sweep of this grand landscape, this isn't just a country, it's a feeling, a spirit, a song that never truly leaves your heart.